Now we take third question. Fx equal ax minus 3 x less than 2 x by a x greater than equal to 2. If f is continuous at x equal to 2, find a. Here continuity at x equal to 2 is given. So L equal to R equal to V. L equal to R equal to V. Here only one unknown a is required. So we take any one here. Left hand limit or value, or left hand limit or right hand limit. Their value f of 2. Here equality is here, so f of 2 2 upon a, and left hand limit at 2, f of 2 my limit s tends to 0, f of 2 minus h, a into 2 minus h minus 3, s tends to 0, 2a minus 3, equating left hand limit and value. Here if we equate R and V, both will give same expression. So we take here L and V. Therefore 2 by a equal to 2a minus 3, 2a square minus 3a minus 2 equal to 0, a equal to 2 and minus 1 by 2. Here unknown value of a are 2 and minus 1 by 2. Next question. Let fx equal tan pi by 4 plus x whole to the power 1 by x, x not equal to 0, k x equal to 0. This question is also the same nature. Here continuity is assured, we have to find unknown parameter k. Here continuity is assured, so no need to find separate limit, left hand limit, right hand limit. We just find value of k. So f of 0 equal to functional value equal to limiting value. Limit x tends to 0, tan pi by 4 plus x 1 by x. Here indeterminacy of the form 1 to the power infinity. Indeterminacy of the form 1 to the power infinity. We know phi x to the power psi x tends to 1 to the power infinity, base tends to 1 and power tends to infinity. Phi x to the power psi x, we have already studied a limit. In such case, e to the power psi x into phi x minus 1. Phi x to the power psi x and indeterminacy 1 to the power infinity. The limiting value is e to the power psi x power into base minus 1. Limit x tends to 0, e to the power, here power 1 by x into base minus 1. Tan pi by 4 plus x, tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b minus 1. This will equal 2 tan x by 1 minus tan x, 1 by x into 2 tan x by 1 minus tan x. Here tan x by x will give 1, x tends to 0, denominator 1, so power this will be equal to 2, so limiting value e square. So therefore k equal to, here x equal to 0 means at x equal to 0 f0 equal to k, so k equal to e square. Fifth question is here. Test the continuity of function x square plus x plus 1, x lying between 0 to 1, equality on both in x square plus x, x lying between 1 to 2, equality on 2. Here we notice that the domain of function is 0 to 2, close interval 0 to 2. We have studied in previous classes the fact about continuity of function is close interval. In such case, continuity at left end, continuity at right end and continuity at intermediate points. Here in this particular question, x square plus x plus 1 is a polynomial function, or we know polynomial, linear, quadratic, cubic, biquadratic, any polynomial function is everywhere continuous. X square plus 2, this is also a quadratic polynomial. This is also everywhere continuous. So here only doubtful point is the change point 1, the point about which definition of function change. Here about 1 less than equal to 1, definition of function fx equal to x square plus x plus 1, and greater than 1, definition of function x square plus 2. So here the only change point, the output point is x equal to 1, where function ceases या may or may not continuous. So we check continuity at x equal to 1 only. F of 1 limiting value at 1, f of 1 value of function at 1, so obviously 1 square plus 1 equal to 3. F of 1 minus 0, here we notice without introducing h we find left hand limit, right hand limit. F of 1 minus 0 limiting value left hand limit at 1, limit of fx x tends to 1 minus, as we say left hand limit at x equal to 1 means x less than 1. So we write here value of fx, expression of fx when x less than 1 directly without introducing h. So limit x tends to 1, x square plus x plus 1, this will give equal to 3. Similarly, f of 1 plus 0 and right hand limit of function at 0, 1, limit of fx x tends to 1 plus, limit of fx x tends to 1 plus means x greater than 1. So we take expression of fx when x greater than 1 is here x square plus 2. X equal to 1 after substitution will give answer 3. So L equal to R equal to V, continuous at x equal to 1. Function here, function is continuous at change point, and function are already continuous at remaining point of this interval being polynomial. So we say here function is continuous at every point. Here there is no need to check continuity at 0, continuity at 2, continuity at intermediate points. We only need to change the continuity at end point.